2019 Can-Am Maverick Trail. As you can see, this is the red version of this, although the red does appear more to be an orange color versus a red. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, this vehicle does come with aluminum wheels versus a steel plain wheel. This model is a 50-inch trail model, so you will be able to access a lot of trails that do have narrower entry gates. For being a 50-inch wide machine, this machine is pretty stable, although if you do get on unlevel terrain or terrain where the front end is one side of the front end is a lot lower than the back end, you will have a little tippage, so just be careful. You can add a wheel spacer to this machine to make it more stable. They do come in 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inches, and I've already seen 3-inch ones that would bring out the tires further away from the body and increase the stability of this machine. Although you do want to be careful with this, because with being a trail model, you do want to be able to still fit through the entry gates. As you can see, the 800 versus 1000 does come with nets instead of standard doors. So if you do want standard doors, you could always just go with a 1000. While riding this on the trails, I have been able to get about 15 to 20 miles per gallon. So it's not the most fuel efficient model, but it is very fuel efficient. One thing that is really nice about this machine is that you do have lots of access points where you can change your oil filter, check your oil, check all your fluids. As you can see, right here's one. You also do have the one back here in the back. Right here, that gives you access to some more. As you can see, this machine does have a very big cargo space in the back, so you will be able to haul lots of stuff with this machine. The machine also does come standard with a 2-inch receiver, so you just have to get the trailer hitch and you'll have a 2-inch, which is a lot stronger than, like, say, the player assist that only come with a 1 3/4 to 1.5. You can see this machine does have independent suspension. It does give you a really nice ride when you are out on the trail. Another access point to, changing stuff in it is right here in the front end. As you can see, I did the Can-Am winch on it with a synthetic cable. Synthetic cable is a lot better for these machines, because if you're not using your winch constantly, then you won't have to worry about it fraying and getting frail like a steel cable. This machine does have lots of storage space. Got up here, as you can see, there is the remote for the winch, and you also do have a button for the winch right here. As you can see, this machine does have a sport mode or an eco mode, differential lock, and you can either do all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or 2-wheel drive. It does have a cigarette holder lighter right here, more storage right here, and this is right here the biggest storage compartment in this machine. This does have very, very comfortable seats in it. As you can see, they are very soft, so you won't have to worry about it being rough on your body while you are riding. You can also turn your high beams on, regular or off. This machine is adjustable front and back. It does have very big brake pedal, so that way you don't have to worry about it slipping off. You do get a cup holder on the driver's side and the passenger side. And you do have an adjustable steering wheel, and you do have your normal display. These seats seats are removable, so that way you are able to, wash them up, take them out and clean them up, or just take them out when you are pressure washing, so that way the dirt that you're washing off the machine doesn't get on the seats. In addition, this machine does come with fancier wheels than some machines that do just come with standard, like stock wheels that almost look like a spare tire from a car. Overall, this machine does have lots of power, even in eco mode, which does give you a more fuel efficient ride, so you are able to ride further than versus the sports mode. Like I said, overall, as long as you're not getting on terrain that is very uneven, you will not have a tipping feeling. And like I said, you do have the option of always just putting wheels on to increase the stability of this machine. As you can see, you get a standard headlight, plus you got your bar LED lights. This machine does have the 10-inch ground clearance, and one thing about this machine is it does have a skid plate all the way from the back to the front. Although it is plastic, but you do get a skid plate to protect your machine. Another thing I really like about this is that where the gas tank is, you are able to just put your nozzle in the pump right in there, and you can just pump it like you are doing your car, and then it'll automatically shut off like your car does. Overall, this machine, I'd give it about an 8 out of 10 for safety, just because you do have, with the 50-inch model, you do have a little less stability with it. Performance wise, I've taken this thing through a lot of mud. As you can see, it's muddy, so I'd say performance wise, I'd say factoring in the power of this machine, I'd give it about a 9.5 out of 10, because you do get that power, and it does go through mud really relatively easy. This machine does have the roll cage, obviously, because it is side-by-side. One thing that is bad is when you do have the netted model, these straps do not stay tight, especially when transporting it. They do loosen up and they flap in the wind a lot. So I do look forward to eventually do the side-by-side, but right now I'm just running it right now with just the netting. Alright, let's get this machine started up and I'll show you what it sounds like. Alright, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you for watching.